Hey guys, welcome out to 3849 Equity Lane. Brand new listing, amazing townhome here in Powder Springs, Georgia. As you can see, it's an N unit and has a lot of brick halfway up the home. Then it has Hardiplank and beautiful trim work. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, so we're super excited to offer it. You can see the row down here, the beautiful trees. I love having an N unit. You have the garage in the back, which I'm gonna take a look at, walk you through here. This is like the alleyway, the road that you can take. And it is on the back end of the community. On one side and the front end, because it has two different entrances. And as you can see, it has beautiful mature trees around here. And here is the back fully stained deck with the privacy fencing on the right-hand side. 2-car garage, nice size driveway too, where you could fit another 2 cars. So they have spots too for guest parking. And you're gonna be able to walk down to pizza spots, DQ, Mexican restaurant is actually right around the corner too. So you're going to experience amazing lock and go living at this location. Powder Springs has grown tremendously. You can also walk to downtown Powder Springs from here, which has seen an influx of money being invested. You got water parks and splash parks and restaurants, a lot of great stuff. So head up the staircase, you have some great columns, and one of my favorite features is when you walk through this door, you'll see you have a gorgeous 2-story foyer. Love that. Love high ceilings when you first walk in. You'll see engineered hardwoods on a few of the levels, including the hallway. Here you have the wrought iron with the wood banister. Very nice and open. There's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths in here. Let's start by going downstairs. What you'll notice in every single bedroom, it has its own bathroom. So whether you're single, you're a young family, it's going to be awesome to have your own bathroom in each bedroom. So you can see here on the basement level, you have the first bedroom. And it's so big. I mean, they're really all the size to me of a primary bedroom. As you can see, you could definitely fit a desk in here as well. Beautiful, clean walls still. It's only a couple of years old as well. So you're getting a basically pretty much close to brand new townhouse. Closet. And again, here is the full bath. So you have tub, shower, toilet, and sink, the cultured marble. So whoever has this bedroom will have their own level to the home. You have a coat closet right here. And then you saw from the back the 2-car garage. These particular sellers utilized it as a home gym, but obviously you could fit 2 cars in here. This will all be gone once you're the new owner. Comes with a garage door opener. You can see 2 water heaters. So lots of great features here. We head upstairs. I'll look at the hardwoods on the landing here, and then we head up into the main level. So what you first notice when you walk here is your dining area with the chandelier. You can fit a nice sized table. You could even go larger than this if you're the new buyer. We enter into the family room, which is very spacious. They're showing it with a couch and love seat. I love those with the cup holders, kind of that movie theater theme to it. So I'll zoom in a little bit so you can kind of see the details. Again, this is that 2-story foyer. Just love this wrought iron look. You also have an outlet here, so sometimes people will, if you want the electric couches for the power recline, you can do that. If you want to do a fish tank, if you want to do any kind of lit up sculpture or anything like that, it could be really nice and dramatic in this room. And as you can see, again, zooming in, zooming out, you can kind of see the double, actually 3 windows here, which provides nice light. Again, all this beautiful engineered hardwoods, which are in great condition, not a scratch on them. Going back to the dining area. And look how nice and long as you enter into the kitchen. So it's super, super easy to navigate around here. Open floor plan, but still has distinct areas. You see the off-white cabinets. You have granite countertops. The appliances feature a refrigerator, 5-burner electric cooktop and oven, microwave, your sink, and your dishwasher. You wrap it around, and here's a kitchenette area. Just some ideas for here. You could do a second table. You could do like one of those bench seating, kind of like you see in a diner. That's very popular right now. You can cap this light and make this into like a home office if you want, and do like an accent wall back there. You could do a conversation room. This is what I love about this area, because you have both a formal dining, or you can make this a formal dining, or you can make this a flex room. Wrap it around again to show you a little bit more details of the kitchen, which is absolutely stunning. Could fit 3 bar stools, nice. And then for a townhouse, again, look at the size of this pantry. So you got plenty of space. You can see me walking into it, right? So if you want to, after the fact, add, I'll zoom out a little bit. You want to add some air shelves, or you want to add some more of these wire racks or wood racks, you can do that as well. Because every bedroom has its own bathroom, it's nice to have this added half bath, as you can see. Has the mirror, the light, hand towels, and this is where people will congregate and be able to use that half bath. Again, look at this beautiful view, these trees. Nothing like having an end unit. You can see the privacy fence here. And then you have the sitting area as well. A little solar action there. But really, it's just an amazing. See all the little side yards you have here. The street lights. Your driveway. Gorgeous. This proximity puts you about 40 minutes to downtown Atlanta, probably about 35, 40 minutes to the airport as well. But you are going to take advantage of everything that Cobb County has to offer. So you could go not too far too. Also, Paulding County is not too far with the shops. The Pavilion at Hiram. You have the Avenue West Cobb, which has shopping and restaurants. You have Publix Shopping Center right down the street. You have, like I said, parks. The trail system runs through here too in Cobb County. So if you want to go take it down to Smyrna, Marietta, all different parts, you definitely can do that as well. All right, I want to zoom out a little bit so you can kind of see the hallway. And the great thing about it is like really a blank canvas. So you have the great paint here, but if you want to, when you put your own spin on it, if you want to do accent walls, trim walls, you're not going to have to redo a lot of stuff. You could just utilize this beautiful blank canvas. Here's your washroom. As you can see, you have the washing machine and dryer, closet right here, which is very super convenient. And what's unique about this floor plan, and I'll show you, like I said, every single bedroom has its own bathroom. So you're really living in a house and a floor plan that has 3 bedrooms that are all really truly master bedroom primary suites. You can see the details in here. You could fit a king size bed, 2 nightstands. You got a stand-up dresser and then a long dresser. You've got the vaulted or tray ceilings in here as well. And then you have a nice large walk-in closet. Again, after the fact, if you want to add more wire racks here, if you want to do the California closets by design, IKEA closet system, gonna have a nice size, really nice size closet. We go into the primary bath. You can see the double vanity sinks, the toilet, and then the stand-up shower, which you can see here. Gorgeous. What I want to show you too is when I wrap it around, I have a window in here, which is really nice. Blinds throughout, and the Cultured marble. Give you another view from here. Really, really excited to have this listing. I think you guys are going to be really impressed. Definitely expect the demand to be there for it for sure. All right, primary bedroom number 2. As you can see, again, the high ceilings, the tray ceilings. Zooming it in a little bit. This particular buyer, again, this one is probably a queen size bed, I would say. 2 nightstands, but you definitely could fit a king in here. Using a little refrigerator, and their work from home cellars as well. As you saw, a lot of areas over here. You have the desk area. So you could definitely fit a couch in here, a love seat, obviously a refrigerator. And then you have, again, another walk-in closet. Zoom it out so you can see. You have a whole nother wall to work with. Build it out. You're gonna have some really nice space. Because it's a townhouse community, you're gonna have the grass being cut for you. It's really a lock and go living because of the age of the house being so young. Very, very little maintenance. You can see the big window, the soaking tub. You have your double vanity sinks, your lights over there, and your mirror. And you have your stand-up shower, as you can see here, and toilet. Give you the view from here. So again, guys, really, really excited to bring you this newest listing by Great Homes ATL. A 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, N-unit townhome. Pretty much, like I said, in new condition. It's a very, very young townhouse. You have the N-unit, you have the back porch, 2-car garage, and tons and tons of recreation, again, where you can take the trail system and walk throughout Cobb County, take the bicycles out. Are entering into the spring and summer months. You're gonna enjoy amazing, amazing living here. Again, just showing you the family room. Such a unique floor plan. We love it. So if you're interested at all, hit us up, shoot us a DM, give us a call, shoot us a text. Have your pre-approvals ready. Showings will be happening ASAP. And if you want to put in an offer, again, have your pre-approvals ready. 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, N-unit, downtown Powder Springs. Great quality living. We'll talk to you soon. Make it a great day.